In other news, tragedy struck in Perth Town District in Trelawny yesterday after an 11-year-old used his father's licensed firearm to shoot himself. Details in this report. The face of 11-year-old Malik Lawman. His death was too much for members of the Bellevue United Church who sought comfort from a supreme being by spending additional time in the sanctuary. A relative of the little boy explains what happened inside this two-story house.
The little youth come downstairs, put on a slippers to go out through the gate. And him come down to retrieve him because he's autism. Him not know really what him do. And him put him inside and just stopped to pick up some clothes off the line. And the little boy go upstairs, get a chair and climb up and find the gun. And that was it.
Frantic family members later ran to the area where they heard the explosion. It was too much for Malik's father. The relative said the father fainted and was rushed to hospital. Carl Grant had fond memories of Malik, who was autistic.
He have a relationship with everybody. Everybody love him. He's like a church baby. When he go to church, him don't keep quiet. Him just up and down. But at the same time, he is a youth what is very loving. At school, he's the life of the community, of the school, because him don't really sit down in class. But at the end of it, he can tell you everything that goes on in the class.
The Trelawny police are investigating.